I got pace, bitch. I got pace. I'm fast. Let's get into the next one. Final Champion. This is Where You Touch Me. This is the song I've been waiting for. This is a song that definitely got me excited about this album. The clip was crazy, and seeing how Santis was dancing too. I want to do that dance. How do you do that dance again? But anyway, let's get into it. Feels like the Gladiators or something. Oh, okay, it's the... Because I remember the clip. Let's go. Hey! Let's go.
I got pace, bitch. No, they move like you be drunk. Bird boy, mommy didn't want him if you touch me.
Where it touch me, where it touch me.
I had to run.
Run from where? Who's chasing you?
I had to run.
Okay.
I had to run. Boy, let's go. Who makes you back? Yeah, I put that fancy in the fit. Don't like it, you know I'm fuck your bitch. You can't do shit. But in the back, I guess come to it like that. Oh, got something, now be worried.
Now I love the texture of his voice here when it went deep. Come do shit. I like it. I like that aggression there. It could definitely feel like this is a song that you like, that makes you want to fight. It makes you want to scrap. You know, like it makes you get there. Like this definitely, and it's a hyper record too. Like it's definitely hype. Now this is a very decent record so far, man. I love how he did change his voice there, man. That's hey. Huh? Is this singing? I know you just spend money in the ooze for my body. That part just came to mind as it was just saying the touch of my body. A lot of touching here, man. Everybody keep to their own personal spaces. Like, come on.
All my niggas on Subaru, bully getting confident. What your bitch, she taking me there, had to run, G.
I got to run, G. Where he's touching me, let me run. Hey, come on. Oh man, I got pace. Alright, no, this definitely is a heart. Let's get another heart. So far we're having this, see look. There are 4 songs that I'm all in on so far. 4 songs. Let's go. Where You Touch Me. Let's go. The song should have been called Where You Touch Me, man. But anyway, Final Champion. You can definitely see the sentiment. As the song was even transitioning from Dead Man Bone, you can see it actually feel like a Stomp the Yard thing, like a Gladiators thing. I mean, I remember from the clip where he said that where he slapped his dad or something. That clip was like, it felt like he was hyping up a boxing match. So confrontation basically was the topic of the day. But so far the theme all around this album has been violence. Just straight up violence. That's what I'm catching so far. Subaru boys are active. Subaru boys are wild. That's what it is. But anyway, very energetic song. Got me hyped. I can see myself on a treadmill with that one. Cause Where They Touch Me, I'm running. I got pace, bitch. Like I'm running on the treadmill. You know what I mean? I definitely feel it. I definitely feel the record has a very nice bounce to it at the same time. I feel like the record would definitely go off in the crowd. Like, you know what I mean? Like that kind of sentiment. And I love the fact that he actually played with his voice a lot. He played his vocal textures, and the backup too was mad. I love how like I love the mixing on the record. Like the mixing had a lot of character to it. You know what I mean? As you couldn't really predict what was coming to you. You know. But yeah, solid record. I can't really hate this one at all. Like this was a definite heart. Like I'm liking this one. I'm definitely tapping into it. But yeah, that was a strong highlight, man. Santi is a visual artist, and he's a film director, so he's expressing himself and trying to make a film out of his music as well. You can definitely see the level of detail in the Sonics, man. I can definitely see him making. Yeah, this is definitely a soundtrack for a movie, and that I think that's the concept of. I mean, it's a concept album, so yes. So he's following the trajectory of it, and I like the attention to detail for the transitions. I'm like big ups on that because that's solid. That's absolutely solid and consistent so far.